If you stop just 7 everyday habits, your liver could start healing in only 7 days. And most people never realize this until it's too late. What if the damage you're worried about is already reversing right now? In this video, I'll show you 25 things that begin changing in your body when you quit these habits for just 7 days, including one sign doctors quietly watch for. And habit number 4 is the one almost everyone in Nairobi, Lagos, London, and New York does daily. Stay until the end, because the final change is the very first signal that your liver is actually repairing itself. Let's start with what happens on day 1 and 2. The first change is that your liver inflammation begins to calm down. Things like alcohol, sugar, and eating late at night put your liver under constant stress. This is common in busy city lifestyles, from the nightlife in Nairobi to the fast food culture everywhere. When you give your liver a break, it stops being in emergency detox mode. The internal swelling goes down, and this is why you feel lighter almost immediately. Second, toxin processing becomes more efficient. Your liver enzymes start to rebalance, without the constant overload from sodas and processed foods, which is a huge issue for office workers globally. Your liver can finally catch up. It starts filtering your blood more effectively. Your blood literally gets cleaner. Third, your blood sugar stabilizes. Your liver is in charge of storing and releasing glucose. When you quit sugary snacks, even for a day, you help it do its job properly. This is crucial in urban diets filled with hidden sugars. You'll notice fewer energy crashes throughout the day, which also has a huge effect on your mood. Fourth, bloating starts to reduce. Your liver plays a key role in digestion by producing bile. When it's not overworked, it can support your digestive system better. This means less gas and less water retention. People who stop eating heavy, late-night dinners often see this first. Your abdomen feels flatter. But remember, this isn't weight loss yet. Fifth, fat processing improves. Your liver is responsible for breaking down fats. When you pause eating fried foods, you give it immediate relief. Think about the impact of common street foods around the world. Giving your liver a break reduces the stress that leads to fatty liver disease. Your liver really hates excess oil. Now, let's move into days 3 and 4. The internal reset. Number 6, your liver enzymes begin to normalize. Levels of ALT and AST, which are markers for liver stress, start to go down. This is one of the first things doctors look for in blood tests to check liver health. And it happens quietly, without any medicine. Your body prefers rest, not pills. Number 7, your digestive bile flow improves. Better bile production means better fat digestion. You might notice less nausea or that heavy feeling after meals, especially after eating a heavy, meat-based diet. This also means you start absorbing more nutrients from your food. Your food finally starts working for you, not against you. Number 8 is a subtle one. Your skin clarity improves. Your liver is a powerhouse for detox, and when it's functioning well, it shows on your face. You'll notice less dullness and even a reduction in acne-related inflammation, especially in hot, humid climates. Your face is a window into your liver's health. Number 9 is a change that surprises most people. Reduced cravings. The liver helps regulate appetite hormones. As it gets healthier, sugar cravings, especially those nagging evening cravings, start to drop. You'll feel more in control. And number 10, you get better sleep quality. Your liver does its heaviest work overnight while you rest. If you're not drinking alcohol late at night, your liver isn't in overdrive, which allows for deeper, more restorative sleep. It's a huge relief from urban stress, and you'll find yourself waking up less. Real healing happens while you are sleeping. By days 5 and 6, you start to see visible signs. At number 11, your energy levels rise. Your liver supports your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. With less toxic load, they function better. You'll feel less fatigue and have more stamina. This isn't that jittery caffeine energy. It's real, stable energy. Office workers often notice this first. Number 12, the brain fog lifts. With fewer toxins circulating in your bloodstream, you get better oxygen flow to your brain. This is a common complaint for people with sedentary jobs. You'll feel sharper, more focused, and your mind will feel lighter. Number 13 is reduced acid reflux. A healthy liver supports overall digestive balance. When you quit those stressful habits, especially late-night meals, you'll experience less heartburn. Your chest feels calmer, and you'll be much more comfortable at night. Number 14. Your waistline tightens slightly. This is mainly due to reduced inflammation and water weight dropping. It's not significant fat loss yet, but your clothes will start to feel a little looser. Your belt is often the first to tell the truth. And number 15, your immune signaling improves. The liver is a critical part of your immune system. When it's less inflamed, your body's defense systems get stronger. You might notice fewer minor aches and pains. Your body simply defends itself better. Finally, we arrive at day 7, the turning point. Number 16, your liver regeneration signals activate. The liver is one of the only organs in your body that can regenerate itself. This amazing process is triggered by giving it a rest from stress. It's a scientific fact, and it shows just how special your liver is. Number 17, you'll see a reduction in fatty deposits. As your fat metabolism gets better, the very early stages of fatty liver disease can start to reverse. This is a silent improvement happening inside you. It's a powerful reminder that damage isn't always permanent. Number 18, your hormone balance improves. The liver is responsible for clearing out excess hormones. When it works efficiently, your mood stabilizes. You'll feel less irritable, and your sleep cycles will become more regular. Your emotions calm down. Number 19 is an interesting one. Your breath odor improves. A struggling liver can cause a buildup of toxins like ammonia, which can affect your breath. As your liver gets healthier, that freshness returns. It's a sign other people might notice first. Number 20, your appetite becomes natural. Your body's hunger cues normalize. You'll find yourself less prone to overeating or emotional eating, and portion control becomes much easier. You stop fighting food and start working with your body. Now for the long-term signals that begin around day 7. Number 21. Blood pressure support improves. Your liver helps regulate fluid and sodium balance. When you cut down on processed foods common in urban diets, your liver can manage this better, leading to a gentle stabilization of blood pressure. Your heart thanks your liver. Number 22. You'll experience reduced morning fatigue. With a more efficient overnight detox process, you wake up with better energy. That groggy feeling disappears. This is especially noticeable for city dwellers. Mornings just feel easier. Number 23 is improved exercise recovery. With less overall inflammation, your body repairs itself faster after physical activity. Whether you go to the gym or just for a walk, you'll notice less soreness. Your body repairs faster. Number 24 is a sign that doctors watch closely. Clearer eye whites. Your liver processes a compound called bilirubin. When it's working well, the whites of your eyes can appear brighter and clearer. It's a subtle but important early sign of good health that is often overlooked. And finally, number 25, the very first signal of true liver healing. It's not just one thing, but a combination. Consistent energy throughout the day, reduced digestive discomfort, stable digestion, and deeper sleep. When all of these things start to fall into place, it means your efforts are working. Your liver is truly on the path to repair. If you've quit even one of these habits for 7 days, comment reset below, and I'll tell you the safest habit to quit next. Please like this video if you want a part 2, and subscribe for more natural healing videos. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And in the next video, I'll show you what happens after 30 days.